morning to everyone. Today the RIMC has released the notification for December 2022 term, that is commencing from July 2023. Okay, so let's see the notification. This is the official notification, Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun. Okay, on release 14th July. Okay, subject: qualifying examination for admission of students to the Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun for the July 2023 term. Okay, the RIMC entrance examination for admission of boys and girls to class 7 for the July 2023 term will be held at the specified center within the country on 3rd December 2022 Saturday. Okay, the candidates will be examined. These are the subjects: English, mathematics, general knowledge. Okay, English maximum marks are 125, mathematics 200, GK 75, and Viva is those who are qualified in the RIMC entrance exam, they will be called for Viva wise. Okay, only for candidates who qualify in the written examination, they will be called for Viva wise. Okay, this is the total marks for 450. So who are the eligible to give the examination, this examination, December 2022? So the education qualification, the candidate should either be studying in class 7 or past class 7 from any recognized school at the time of admission to the RIMC, that is as on 1st July 2023. Okay, suppose those who are in class 6 in present academic year, they will be appear this exam. Okay, age criteria, very important. This is the age criteria. Boys and girls both are eligible. Boys and girls both are eligible to apply for admission to the RIMC Dehradun. The candidate should be in the age bracket of 11 and half to 13 years as on 1st July 2023. They will only can apply. They should not born earlier than 2nd July 2010 and not later than 1st January 2012. Okay. Schedule of examination, written exams we already seen. So this is the held on 3rd December 2022. Mathematics is morning 9:30 to 11. GK is 12 to 1 and English is 2:30 to 4:30. Okay. Candidates may answer in Hindi or English. Move on next page. This is the Viva batch. Those who are qualified in the RIMC entrance, they will be intimated later. Okay. The result will be announced. You will check the RIMC website. Procedure to obtain application for how to apply this RIMC entrance. So the prospect cum application form and booklet of old question papers can be obtained from the Rashtriya Indian Military College by following methods. One is online payment. The prospect cum application form and booklet of old question paper can be obtained by making online payment of rupees 600 for general candidates and 555 for SC/ST candidates on RIMC website. Okay, if anybody can difficulty in online apply, they can be comment on this video. So I will be provide how to apply, how to obtain application form. I will provide full information. Next, by sending demand draft. This is the one method is online payment, another method is by sending demand draft. This demanded you will be prepaid 600 for general category, 555 for SC/ST, same amount, and you should be in favor of DD in favor of commanded RIMC Dehradun. Drive bank is State Bank of India, Telephone Bhavan Dehradun. The application form issued by RIMC only be valid. Documents, applications are to be submitted in duplicate. Okay, the mandatory documents which are required to be attached with application form are as under. Number 1 is birth certificate. Second is domicile of candidate, SC/ST. If anybody can SC/ST, they can be produce this certificate also. A certificate from the principal of the current school in which the candidate is studying with photograph attested stating the date of birth as per the school record should be submitted in original. Photocopy of Aadhaar must both sides. 2 passport size. These are the documents we have to enclose with the application in duplicate. Okay, move on the next page. Is application form should reach the respective state governments. Here very important instruction is we have obtained the RIMC forms from the RIMC Dehradun, and these forms are to be submitted with the respective state governments, that is Public Service Commission. Okay, by 15th October we should submit the application. By 15th October, this is the last date. Must be sent to the state government, not to the Rashtriya Indian Military College. Okay, conduct of examination by the state, these are the instructions to the state. Answer books in respect of may please be forwarded by the end of examination, sealed cover. This is the instruction to the state government. The Viva is, this is also after qualification of the RM center, that is the instruction. Medical exam, after completion of examination and Viva wise, then will be called for medical examination. Okay, this is the notification. Thank you very much. Those who are interested and those who are eligible, they can apply the RIMC December 2022. Okay, they can apply. Thank you.